Microsoft 365 in practice. Hey everyone, lately a few people have been asking me about my process or my methods to develop SharePoint intranets. So I thought I'd take this blog post video opportunity to talk specifically about that. In this video, I'll be referring to my SharePoint in Practice book and the fundamental methods we use and describe in that book. I've used this and refined it over the years and it just keeps working great. Think about this SharePoint in Practice philosophy as a way to engage your users and get great results in your internet solutions. The methodology boils down to a mnemonic, like everything good in life, and the mnemonic is TIKI, T-I-K-I, templates, involvement, keep it simple, and iterate. So first of all, the T in TIKI is templates. The idea here is that we don't want to reinvent the wheel. Go ahead and develop tools that can be reused. So I've got a standard set of templates that I use for a project charter, a project plan, a design document, a status report, end user training template, and PowerPoint. These documents have been tested over time, and then each project I refine them a little bit. Save those templates. When you create a document, go ahead and save a copy of it, as long as it doesn't belong to someone else, of course. If you can use those materials again, then you'll save time for you and for your clients. And then the I in TIKI is involvement. We engage, reach out to, ask for assistance, ask people to get involved, those end users, those decision makers, and make sure that they have a hand in the project. What we find is that people embrace what they help create. So bring people on board and ask them to co-create your SharePoint solutions. Ask them what kind of internet they need. What are the tools they need? Involve those people, engage them. You'll get much better results. And when you roll out your intranet, people are going to feel like it's theirs. The K is KISS, which means keep it simple SharePoint. With KISS, we are trying to use basic out-of-the-box SharePoint as much as possible. There's many things you could do with SharePoint and lots of fancy tools out there. What we're talking about here is use out-of-the-box standard SharePoint without a lot of expensive development. Use the web interface and customize it from there. As per Occam's razor, we believe and promote that the simplest solution is usually the best, especially in the first release. What do you mean the first release? Well, the last I of TIKI is iterations. We approach our work iteratively. By iteratively, I mean that we start small or rough and we build it up over time. Collaborate with others. Back to that first I, which was involve your users. The iterations give you a chance. Build something simple before you get too far into it. Show it to users and say, hey, this is for you to pick holes in. I didn't put much effort into it. Go ahead and critique it. And so people see the results faster and they can influence that development more effectively. So use the SharePoint in Practice TIKI torch to shine a light on your intranet development. Use these methods and you'll save time and increase the likelihood that people will be using the internet that you spend so much time developing. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions or comments and let me know how these methods work for you. Bye for now. Hey, I'm Gerry and this has been another episode of Microsoft 365 in Practice. Please let me know if you have any questions, and your comments and subscriptions are welcome. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.